That is wrong. One of the things the Sugum Poli Council of Governors. Aboneni madamini huyu wapi huyu tulifanya kazi naye kama CEO wa Council of Governors. Tulisema any borrowing must be agreed on by the two levels of government, and that we should set what is known as Loans and Grants Council. Mama chekitabi yanji chitako besera bini endi yaba nenyo. Asuko orongea kea lo egenije tumaponguti. Yo itonosi. Presidente tawa ebira Kenya. Mama chekitabi the word Loans and Grants Council, and that is what we are pushing as a Council of Governors, and that is what my friend here was saying. Governor Wanyeri. Na huyu mada tuliandika na kupeana hiyo kwa ile kitu tulikuwa naita pesa mashinani. Hiyo maneno ya borrowing over borrowing is wrong. Let us not borrow in the name of future generations. People in the microphone, they be corona. There's sanitizer, but you may go take you. But when you go to talk to a talk, they talk to one. Oh, when you the meeting, you talk about that guy, you got a table man. The one I let. So now it's time with the time that to do for life. What you got, boom, you give away your team about the Mommy was young, go on the one for Tabame. Martha got here, Satan. Put away your good name. I was too bad time. Lavin the Mochimua when I did one. For talk with the game. Koto wenu, ile tebitu anga ni seketa. Ile tebitu anga ni seketa. Wogumi ointu anga ya sugumi na lega buka tus. The devolution and Council of Governors, as fast governors. Ko bana chepon of the two director. Ada itu kita nabi cukumi ke hampur, pikir tije. Kiburi ne hampur ni segitu. Pikir terlalu, namun mengilek, awal nasi tapi amatnya sasi. Mungkin apa mukta ini tapi one of that talent, one of the point, that is a rare talent. Nendang muka sebarang ibu cipta nengkong, yang dia, that talent is, it's unique. Dia asing sekali limit, ini sih cak, kau bisa namuna tu, angkat nalai. Ineta punya belakang jono, aku remain with that type of humble living, and it can be told that humble background. Kita kalau you have been a champion, never hakin, never project. Tepsigi kau ini gue camo tiga tu dia ada buka apa mama, kau ini buka apa mama punya, aku itu ngalek semua voice check. Mitu kiri historical injustices. And you have been spearheading that, and we are happy among kita sta amno nito ora bagi mi ba mo batemo tuo como ngale chegi necessary ki huyo kwa ndimuchi ko petuni braine ko buona mambolezi abo amateur de directeur enya bananyun a familia nanyun kwa niaba nebo chama cha mashinani. Ndio ni chama cha mashinani ngeni. Abo kimaje sigine tu baraka ngene multi-party Kenya tagesiri katiba kele Kenya shambia multi-party democracy. Ni mija maisha tu kimaje kitu ngalo jine age mengi ngadi. Age time maono tu jemi. Chama cha mashinani kimaje kugimitu gatus. Kimacho kumiro bini kina kicha maga chara bini ka Kenya nusu kwa gro mabanga kwa mukto inde pananda ngo kwa sinya kiri so Eche bandu kimo stay kibisibi wrong agenda. Kimachira bini ya Kenya get equally. That is the bottom line. Amuvi jana kuni kibitridai millions of the youth are out there in the villages and they have no jobs. Wamesoma lakini hawana la kufanya. Kimachira mwanga radi existing government. Pesa chama devolution must be released by 27th of every month. Kunya alunga your counties to Rabini. We must put a stop to a situation where county staff go without salaries for over 3 months. That is unacceptable. It is unacceptable for us to find there is no medicine in hospitals. It's a disaster for this country. So even as you discuss, you are not allowed to let siasa Allah or allowed to only me longer. Tell me what means over the normal siasa or give up that is the bottom line we want. We want to get Tusi in Paulo and we must protect devolution. We must also protect peace. We must live in peace in this country. We are not going to fight again. We must stop it and we should reduce the high-octane politics that seems to be taking center stage at the moment. Let us not abuse ourselves. Let us live as one country. Let us unite the country. Na tuache maneno ingine ambayo haitatusaidia, and let us look at how the rest of us, the rest of Kenyans are living. Kwa chama cha mashinani, kwa rumwa niligia gasi au chama William UDA viungani mkono emino mwenye niligia mnafutai kia kama kawaida mamuji taimaje nekere kuinyigegi au chama aliyo wina wanga dilezi chama ni chama cha mashinani au usambala genyuje kobiri kura raya au swa kitone kaya mge. Lakini policies must be clear. Tumaje giliti ele kumanga ngeni mwana ya kikicha ngele kila mtu ako na idea na agenda ya kuletea wananchi wa Kenya. Tanyoge mwabe tutare abotoa sugugo yagane abotoro amacho le jobicho ko macho ngundi kisik the COVID-19 protocols. Let us understand that it is for our own safety, and therefore we reduce public rallies as advised. These are advices from medics, advice from the medics. And let me also make it clear that medical science, I am battling na propaganda. Propaganda, kutoka mosi kwa mgo. Hadi tena, hapo kigeni. Kumi kama siasa. Lakini matao itiomi nanega kilichi. Ngole cheba gariche pagaru tuswe ambe garinda ko tabo kase ko tore de yo sitaka ukele ala kimatabu majini. Kwa onge vaccine medical science. Wakisema twende chanjo, tafadhali twende chanjo. Wacha maneno mingi. Twende chanjo. The medical profession cannot sit together in the whole world. Awo yonjingo onge barabi. Onge bagai propaganda. Ugo itenge chanjani. Matia ruwe ngale chanjani mwe baraba. We get chanjani, my friend. That is the way it should be. Otherwise, how much of a family Goberu wa mukta de korana ge. Abo guruba de me kabela. Kulen ne koni. Utabi ndamye pia kirijo tanyo kibati ge. Mheshimiwa Chikwa ukaya salama na familia na kila mtu.